Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to our channel, Mikey's Automotive. Today we're going to talk about a very cool diagnostic tool that I just got, and it's a Vt100. Okay, it's a 4-system scan tool. That means that you can go ahead and check the engine system, ABS system, SRS system, and transmission system. Really cool, a lot of data live scan, SAS calibration, EPB reset, ABS bleeding, and throttle relearn. Alright you guys, so I'm doing the unboxing. It comes in this really cool case. Now the way that you power it on is you go ahead and you plug it into the car's OBD. They send you the cable for the OBD, and they also send you the USB-C to power it on while you update it. These are some pamphlets that it comes with. It comes in this really cool case. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. I'm going to show you guys how to clear codes, read codes, and live data. Okay, these are all the cables that it comes with. There's the power USB-C. Today we're going to be working on a 2014 Chrysler 300. So we're having an issue where the front wheel speed sensor is not reading. So it's definitely an ABS problem because the ABS light is on. We're also going to go ahead and check the occupant restraints, the airbags, okay? I'm going to show you guys which ones are connected, which ones are not connected. I'm going to show you guys how to read and clear codes, and also how to read the live data, okay? So that we can go into detail of where the issue is coming from. Let's go do that now. Alright you guys, so I've been having the ABS light on for a while now due to the right speed sensor on the right hand side. And I went ahead and I diagnosed it with this machine. Okay, I just got it fixed today. I'm going to show you guys how to clear the codes, okay, that you need to clear. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm actually updating the scanner, okay. There's a few models and vehicles that it has to go through first. After you're done with that, you can go ahead and start using your scanner. But for now, let me show you how it works. Go ahead and turn it on. Turn it to the accessory mode. Okay, you don't have to turn on the engine. We're going to go to diagnose. We're going to press OK. Okay, this is not touch screen. We're going to go to American. We're going to go to Chrysler. All right, we're gonna go to VIN automatic selection, and it tells us what model and year. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We're gonna press OK. We're gonna go to manual selection. All right, and we're gonna go to anti-lock brakes. It's communicating. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna read the data stream. Okay, but first let's go ahead and read the fault codes that it has. The right front wheel speed sensor circuit current out of range. So what happened was that the front right speed sensor, okay, was disconnected. All right, so that's why it was giving out this code. But like I said, we already fixed it. Okay, there's no more ABS light. And the way that we tested that, okay, the way that we figured that out was because we went to read data stream, and you guys can see, you guys can go ahead and move the vehicle right here, reverse, and when I move my vehicle, okay, that wheel speed, this one right here, the sensor right here, these numbers wouldn't move. Okay, so there was no reading for the right front, okay, wheel speed sensor. You can see when I drive it, okay, the numbers move. So there was no reading on the wheel speed, okay, the right front side, okay, speed sensor. So like I said, we checked and it was disconnected. So we went ahead, we connected everything back. Now it's time for us to clear the codes. Once again, let me show you guys the codes that we have. Okay, right front wheel speed sensor, okay. It says circuit current out of range, okay. System voltage, circuit voltage below, okay. So this has to do with the battery and stuff. And we're able to read those codes with the scanner. Now we're gonna go ahead and clear them. Press OK. Do you really want to clear the codes? Yes, we do, but make sure the vehicle is off first. Okay, accessory mode. Make sure it's in accessory mode or on run, but the engine off. Do you really want to clear all the codes? Yes, we do. Communicating with the ECU. Okay, so we successfully cleared the codes. We're gonna press OK. Let's go ahead and read again, see if they're there. So as you can see, we successfully erased our fault codes, okay, with the scanner. Really good scanner. I really recommend it, you guys. It's really good for diagnostics, okay. Okay, Occupant Restraint. Let's look at our data stream. Let's look at the voltage of our airbags. Let's see what's going on. Okay, there's passenger. It says that it's unoccupied right now. Okay, passenger occupant detection sensor. There's a resistance. Driver airbag, alright, gives you the ohms. Frontal squib gives you the ohms of that. Passenger airbag, 10 ohms. Front squib resistor, so you can see it's kind of off. Okay. You can see that it has really low ohms. Front squib number 2. Okay, the driver inflator knee. So obviously we don't, like I said, we don't have the knee airbag, so you can see that one has a 10 on there. Okay, and then if we look also at passenger airbag, okay, that one has a 10 on there, so it's not connected right. Okay, you can see because it's stuck at 10 ohms. Okay, so it's open, and we have some really low ohms as well for the front squib number 2. If we go back and we read the fault codes, we can see that squib 1 is open and squib 2 is open. Okay, and it doesn't have the driver knee airbag. And if we look at the data stream and we look at squib 1 and squib 2, you can see the passenger squib number 2 is below 3 ohms. Okay, the driver inflator knee is at 10 ohms. That means that there's nothing connected there as well. The steering wheel airbag, and that's at normal. Okay, 3 ohms, how it should be. Okay, it should be at 3 ohms. If it's at 10 ohms, okay, there's something wrong with it. There's nothing there. And once you go ahead and you fix it, you can go ahead and clear the codes, okay? But if you don't fix the codes, you won't be able to clear them. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to read the transmission control module, okay, and the data that it gives us. Now this is the ECU for the transmission. So you're going to see, of course, shift solenoids, and it tells you, okay, when it activates, okay, when it engages, also the torque converter clutch. So it's going to give you a lot of good information. So if you're a specialist and you work on transmissions, it's a really good diagnostic tool to get. It'll show you where the issue is. It will pinpoint each solenoid down. It has a lot of live data stream, you guys, and that's what really helps you guys narrow down the issue. Okay, see if that circuit is open, if that sensor is working, what are the ohms. So it really does come in handy, you guys, and I really do recommend it. It's really great. Okay, it works for what I need it for. If it's for airbags, if it's for resetting the oil, or steering angle sensor, ABS. All right, you guys, well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit like. Don't forget, if you guys really want to buy this little machine, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description below. You guys can go ahead and buy it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, you guys take care.